Hello guys, today I show you make a transparent effect poster in Corel Draw with simple trick just in 2 minutes. Let's get started. First step, go to File menu and select Import option for import file and choose your file and click on Import button and click on the page. Double tap on Rectangle tool for fit rectangle on the page and select Model Image and go to Object option. Select Power Clip option and now select Place Inside option. Now click on Background. Click on Edit button and select Image. Shift little bit upper side and increase the image size and shift down the image. Now click Bitmaps option. Now choose Mode option and now select Grayscale option for grayscale image. Click on Finish option. Select Rectangle tools and draw a rectangle left side of the image and fill the color solid black and do outline none. Select Text tools and type your text. Now go to Font option and select the bold tall font and put text on solid black color and increase the size according to your schwas and decrease lining space and increase the little bit size. Now select text and solid black together. Click on Trim icon. Now select text and go to Outline Pen option. Fill 2 pt value in width. In Outline Pen option, choose Color icon and fill outline color white. Press OK. Text fill color will be none. Select solid black rectangle and choose transparency icon. Select and draw the nodes for linear transparency. Left node shift left side of the rectangle. Select the text and go to the shadow icon and choose shadow icon now. Drag on text. Fill the value in shadow opacity 50 to 75 and put shadow feathering value 15 to 5. Now, your creative image poster is ready. Thanks for watching.
My mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I